Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today I have a Jujube review and packing video to share with you. This tote is from their Ever collection and it is in a brand new color that they are newly releasing this week called Plum. Alright, so I want to start off by saying how gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous this particular color is. I love this plum color. I think that the lighting in here is probably not really capturing how pretty this color is. I'm going to try to post a lot of pictures over on Instagram. I know that this bag and the color, and there's a lot of pictures that are circulating of this bag, so definitely check all of those out to get a really good feel of what this color looks like. But it's like a deep burgundy, but sometimes when the light hits it, it almost looks like a purpley plum color. It's really pretty and it's perfect for fall. I like it. I like how deep and rich the color is. This is the first time that I have ever seen or tried the tote. I have the Weekender in the brulee color. It's like the brown color, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm actually surprised that I have not yet reviewed the Weekender for you guys because it's been one of my favorite bags. All summer long I carried it. I carry it every single time that I travel, so that review is coming. You guys have been requesting it and asking for it. I promise, I will give you guys the Weekender review very soon. But this tote, I think I might like it better than the Weekender, but I don't know. I really like the way that this packs up. It's a good medium-sized tote in my opinion. I have it packed up right now for almost like a carry-on, if you will. I traveled this past weekend with my husband. We weren't flying, we drove, but the type of items that I have in here would be what I would carry on like an airplane. I used this. I also had my Weekender, and then I also had a Starlet for all of my clothes, or was it a Superstar? I don't know. It was the same type of thing. It might have been a Superstar though. But I carried all three of those bags. So this was kind of like my handbag slash like carry-on, if you will. It has all of those type of things in here. But I love this bag. I love how long the tote straps are. They make it so comfortable to carry. I have a lot in here. I have books in here. I have my laptop in here. I have my makeup in here. I mean, you guys will see I have my planner. I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have it packed to the max, and the drop length on these handles make it really comfortable to carry. I don't find it heavy when I carry it. I find it easy to just kind of throw and go. I really like the width. I mean, I can't say enough about them. I think it's really comfortable. I am 5'0" nothing, and I think that they're a good drop length on me, but I do think that if you are taller, that they would be a good drop length for you also. There are D-rings on the side of the bag, so if you are carrying it like for a carry-on for an airplane or for traveling or just everyday use, and you want to carry it crossbody, you can attach a messenger strap here on the side and then have that as long as you need it to be to wear it crossbody or even over your shoulder, however you want it, if you want like a thicker, shoulder strap or whatever. So I do love that about it. The rose gold hardware is stunning. It's so pretty against this plum color, and I think it would look really pretty against the black of the other option as well. But I love the plum. I'm sold on the plum. I think it's really, really pretty. So let's go ahead and get into the bag. On the front of it here, you just have one zipper pocket. It's not felt lined or anything like that. It's just a regular zipper pocket. And all that I have in the front is a charger for my Apple Watch. I did also have a regular phone charger, but I just took it out because I was charging my phone. And I have a pen down there. I don't have anything else in there. So that's what was in that front pocket. The zippers are really smooth. They have the Jujube logo there on the hardware. On the back of the bag here, I will turn it around so you guys can see there. On the back of the bag, you have kind of the same type of square. It kind of mirrors the front there, but there's no pocket here. Above here, you do have a felt line pocket. This is perfect for like your cell phone or electronics if you're carrying it like as a normal handbag. I was carrying it more so for traveling. So in here, I actually just have my jewelry. I find that this pocket is perfect for jewelry when you're traveling. That's just kind of what I tend to throw in there. I have my Apple Watch down in there, and then I also have a bunch of jewelry. It's probably a tangled mess right here, but it's just a couple of Alex and Ani bangles. I do have one necklace in there, and then I have some earrings, just things like that. But this pocket tends to really kind of protect them, and I don't have to carry like a separate pouch when I can just throw them in there. I also have, oh, a pair of earrings was down in there also. And I think that is it. Yeah, that's just the other pair of earrings that I had down in that pocket too. So that's everything I had inside that pocket. What I love also about this bag is the fact that you can choose to zip the top of it, or if you unzip the top of it, you can fold the flaps of the bag down inside the bag. Let me put the camera up and show you what I mean. Okay, so what I'm talking about is that you can zip the zipper completely closed here at the top, but if you unzip the zipper, which is usually how I have this bag, if we're being completely honest, you can fold these flaps down and then the bag can just lay completely open like this and it stays nice and structured. I love like a bucket tote like this, if you will, because you can just kind of throw and go and it makes packing it really, really easy. So over the weekend, I had this bag packed to the max. I was throwing shoes on top. I was throwing my curling iron on top. It made it really easy for like a car bag to just kind of set this at my feet and have things in it. It was just a really, really convenient bag to have. I love how it just holds its shape. I think it would make an awesome bag for moms, for women that don't have kids. I just think it's a really versatile bag that you can have whenever you have children and then to grow on when your kids are older. So I'm loving it. I think the tote is awesome. So anyways, this is how I have it all packed up. It is packed to the max. You have two pockets here that are kind of elastic, and then you have two slit pockets here that are a little bit bigger that I just kind of have some other things in. This one has a bunch of miscellaneous loose things, and then I have pouches here, and then this is just a small clutch I had with me. Then you also have two pockets here on the side and one zipper in the back of the bag. This bag also comes with a dust bag as well as a change pad for those of you using it as a diaper bag, and then of course you do have your dust bag to keep the bag in when you're not using it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the things in the middle of the bag first. I just have a magazine I was reading. This is a Magnolia journal. This is just a magazine that I was reading. Then I just have a book. This is actually a program that I'm going through. I don't know if you guys follow Jordan from funcheaperfree.com. I follow her over on Instagram. She's like one of my favorite bloggers, but she just started this productivity boot camp and I've been going through this program. I'm on week like 4 or 5. It's awesome. I highly recommend it. You guys should check it out. I've really been enjoying it. So I've been going through that. I have my computer in here. This is just a MacBook. I think it's a 13-inch, so it fits in there perfect, like no problem. So I have that in there, and then I have a book that I've been reading forever, Girl Wash Your Face. I'm on like halfway through it. So I have a book in there. I just have a little journal. This is from TJ Maxx. It's a Ray Dunn notebook. And then I have my planner. This is the simplified planner. This is the mini, or the smaller one, the weekly edition. Then this is what the inside looks like when there's nothing on the inside with just the pockets kind of packed up. I have my sunglasses just kind of tucked in there. And then I have over here in this pouch, I just have a medium set piece. And then in here I have all of my makeup. Not gonna pull everything out, but you guys get the idea. I just held all my makeup for traveling. Then I don't have anything else in that pocket there. Over in this pocket, I had a bunch of stuff that I was using for my planner. I have the brand new Forget Me Not print that is coming out tonight, I believe. When this video goes up, it'll be tonight. But this is the medium set piece. And in here, I just have a pair of scissors and some pens and a highlighter and that kind of thing in that pouch. And then also in this pocket, I just have a bunch of kind of planner thing. It's mainly stickers. I don't do a whole heck of a lot when I do my planner, but I do have stickers that I like to use. I'm not gonna go through each one. This is just a list notebook that I have with me. And then I do have a pack of the mini stickers from the Happy Planner. I just found these at Michael's and it's one of my favorite sticker packs. If you guys want me to do like a separate video on like the planner stickers I like, I can do that if you guys want. But I have another one here. I'm not gonna go through each and make the video crazy long, but these are just some of the ones that I like. That's all I have in that pocket. In the zipper pocket right here in the back, I have my charger for my laptop. And then I also have the large set piece strap tucked down in there because I was using it to attach to my Quick over the weekend, as well as the medium set piece if I wanted to carry that crossbody while I was gone. So that's all I have in that side over there. Over here in these two side pockets, this one over here just had the small set piece in that same print, and this has my wallet in there. Over here on this side, I just have my hairbrush tucked into the side. And then attached, actually let me flip it around so I can show you guys better. Attached over here to the side, you do have a key leash inside the bag, and I just have my keys attached to it, and then I had them slid down inside this side pocket over here, just so they weren't loose inside the bag. So just my keys inside there. Then inside these two pockets, the only thing I have inside that one right there is my Tory Burch clutch. There's nothing inside of it except for the strap is tucked down inside of the bag. This was just a small crossbody that I was using over the weekend, so that's tucked down in there. And then over here in this pocket is a bunch of loose miscellaneous things that I just were kind of shoving down inside the bag. So I have a wipe pouch that just has regular Kleenex kind of wet wipes in there. Then I have hair ties. I'm not even sure what's in here. I have a Posh hand cream. Let's just pull it all out. I have mascara, another hand cream, a healer stick, and I have beads because it was my friend's birthday. I have, oh my goodness, a pill case. I have some emergency packs, bobby pins, and another nail file and an NYX butter gloss, so you guys get the idea. It was like kind of a little catch-all pocket. So I usually like to leave one of those open to just kind of throw stuff in, and then I like to pack the rest kind of with pouches and things like that. So that is everything I have inside here. I did get a question if a fuel cell fits comfortably inside here, because I did post a picture with one packed inside my weekender, which is how I usually pack when I'm traveling. I pack all of my toiletries inside a fuel cell, and a fuel cell does fit perfectly inside the tote bag with room to spare. It's like perfect. So if you are traveling like with your toiletries and things like that, there's tons of room. If you're using this as a diaper bag and you need it for snacks or bottles or what have you, it's a really, really good fit. You probably have room also, let me see. Well, maybe not. I was gonna say here, oh yeah, you definitely do. I mean, if you wanna pack this as a carry-on on an airplane, you have tons of room to pack books here on one side, and you still have room for your fuel cell, your Quick. I mean, there's still tons of room in there, you guys. You could still do your pouches all the way around, and you have your fuel cell. So tons of room inside this bag. I just like that it's kind of like a big bucket tote and it still holds its shape. I mean, I love it. It's one of my favorites. I can't wait to get more colors in it. I think this is going to be a go-to bag for me for a very long time. I think it's comfortable. I love the look of it, and it's a new favorite. It's a new favorite. So you guys are going to see it a lot from me for sure. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I love this black and bloom with the plum. I think it's a great pairing with it also. So I hope you guys found this review helpful, and I look forward to chatting with you guys soon. Have a great day.